everybody, today once again I'm back in a MWNABILI picnic spot because today is the inauguration day of this picnic spot. Dear friends, I'm going to show you today the inauguration of this picnic spot, and this picnic spot is going to be started today. Along with me, Prismel Islari bro,
yes.
They are Ajoy bro from Amteka. Yes, they are managing this this bridge, which is very essential for the communication, for the people, for the picnic spot.
Communication?
Yes, for the communication, going and coming.
Yeah.
And with their hard work, they have managed to make this wooden bridge. This is Aie River, and for this, they have invested and they have given their heart and soul to make this bridge, because this is a very important road to reach to the other side, which is very important places to be visited, those like Borgoyary, Galepu and all. MWNABILI picnic spot is inaugurated right now on November 9th today, right here. And in front of this, oh, go on walking, sir, here. And we have started stepping to this, over this bridge, the wooden bridge, which is very beautifully made by this local people, by the community of this bridge. So these are the hard-working people who have taken this initiative to make and decorate this beautiful place and make this place very visitable place for you all guys. So these are the guys who are working hard and making this picnic spot, MWNABILI picnic spot and ecotourism in Chirang district in Bodoland, Assam, India. So guys, hello. And today I am very happy again because I met my favorite YouTuber of our local, of our Bodoland, Sir Alfred Bosmatari, who is like my brother and my motivator, who has come here again today to make a video about this place.
Yes, so, thank you, Swmdwn, once again. Meeting you back after maybe a couple of months.
Yes, sir.
He has been so kind enough to give me a tour around his locality in this India Bhutan border in Chirang district. And I feel myself very fortunate today also getting to see another beautiful place here in India Bhutan border. Beautiful place, as you can enjoy the landscape view and also the water. And sure, with the opening of this picnic spots, it is going to boost tourism in this beautiful place, and also people and also local people will generate some revenue out of this.
Yeah,
very
exactly.
happy.
Yes. So thank you, sir, for expressing your feelings and your experience after coming over here in MWNABILI picnic spot.
Thank
so guy
you.
gone watching. Yes. Yeah. If you want some shade, you want cool place, everything you'll find here, because you can see that side. There are greeneries and jungles and trees and plants are there where you will have properly shade, where you can cool down yourselves. So you see the jungle, this is a Sadumara jungle, which I have shown in my previous video. So you can see there, tree houses are going to be built over this jungle called Sadumara. And I'm even more happy after coming here because our brothers from different news channels have come here to show you and give the information about this place, about this location, MWNABILI picnic spot in Chirang district. Here with me, brother Borgoyary from Bodosa news channel, and brother Pradhan Basmatari from DDK. So guys, you can watch in their channels also.
नमस्कार सभी लोगों को, यहाँ आके बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा. तो आप लोग भी आ सकते हैं, एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं और मजा ले सकते हैं यहाँ पर आके.
बिराद मोजां जायगा, MWNABILI पिकनिक स्पट एन्ड इकोटुरिजम. बियो मालिभिटायाव दं, एकदम भुटाननि हाजोनि गाहायाव. दा ओरैबायदि बिउटिफुल प्लेस, नोंथांमोना फैनानै बेरायनो हागोन. जोंबो फैनानै दिनै नुफैबाय. बिराद मोजां, गोदान जायगा. गोदान जायगा नोंथाङा बेरायनो लुबैदोंबा फैनो हागोन आरो फैनानै मोजाङै मोजां बेरायनानै थांबानो जाबाय लोगोफोरनो शेयार खालाम भिडिअखौ जाहाथे बयबो मिथियो एसेनोसै गोजोन्थों मोजां मोनबाय जों दालां होनानै
आच्छा दे
दा दालां होनानै गोजोननायबो मोनदों आरो बेराफारसे लामायाबो बिराद मोजां जादों आरो गैयिफोरनोबो खस्थ' बिदि दै बारनो हायिफोरनोबो मोजां जादों आरो गैयिफोरनोबो बिदिनो एसे एनै रेसन बायदिसिना लांनाय लाबलाय खालामनो हायो आरो
And to reach this place, you can come through some famous places like from Khajalgaon. You can come and take this road that comes to Bhutan, like Galepu, and you can take the road also from Samtaibari, which leads to Galepu, and you can come through the place called Chapaguri also from Bongaigaon. From there, you can take the road which comes towards north, and also another road you can take is from Bijini. From Bijini town also you can take the road from Gerguabari and you can reach to this place. And the criteria of the visitors fish. And
You are coming here and you are visiting and you are with us, and especially for this fee structure I want to tell about that for the making the refining, that road refining. And even we are not taking the freely, but we have some maintenance. That's why we are taking the some of the fee. So if you are coming from the bike, we will take the 50 rupees, and if you coming from car, that means the four-wheelers, will take the 200 rupees, and with auto 70, and others like a vehicle and will charge the tractor and all 300. 300. And come and enjoy. And this is the new place those who are coming. I'm very happy to see again.
Yes, so you are most welcome to this place, MWNABILI picnic spot in Chirang district in Malivita area. So guys, you can come and enjoy this place because this is totally unexplored and virgin place. And brother, if we have to cross this bridge, no? If we have to cross this bridge, how much you will take? Is there any fees for crossing this bridge?
Just if you want to cross this right now, will not charge any amount. But if you're going to another connectivity, that means others place, and will charge only 10 rupees.
10 rupees?
Per
person. Per person 10 rupees for crossing this bridge. With what? Oh, simply and with and with bike. With bike 50 rupees. With bike 50 rupees. And can cycle. Car can cross or not this bridge?
Of course, you can cross this bridge.
Up to which level of vehicles can cross?
Four-wheelers.
Four-wheelers?
Bolero.
Up to Bolero? Tata Mobiles?
Tata Mobiles. But not loading.
And the road conditions are very perfect now. They are absolutely motorable. The roads are absolutely motorable right now. You need not worry. I myself, I came even with just a scooter.